Hey lovers, welcome back to Love for Things. I'm your host Naomi. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you will not miss a thing. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you guys behind the scene of how I'm doing my photo shoot, black and white melancholy. So we are going dark. The reason why I'm doing red lips today because it's going to construct, it's going to be black and white photo shoot, and so we are doing the bright colors so that it will pop in the black and white pictures. So let's go. Let me show you guys the clothes. Okay. Here are some tips for doing an indoor shoots and a outdoor shoots, which is 1. Taking pictures indoors, which is studio photo shoot. So be sure to be comfortable in your underwear in front of a photographer, in front of people. Be sure if you are not comfortable, bring a rope. Tip 2, don't be afraid to use props, standing up, sitting down when you are doing your photo shoot, because that will give you variety of looks for your photo shoot. So in this video, I just wanted to show you my legs and how my body moves. So that's why I'm dancing into my moves, and that's why you guys are seeing me moving along like that. Alright, since I have shown you guys my ways and my little tips of how to do my photo shoot indoors, I'm going to take you guys outdoors and show you guys how we are doing the photo shoot outdoors. First tip for doing a photo shoot outdoors: find your light. And don't worry about the photographer, because the photographer is going to find you. So you always find your light and have fun. Tip 2, use your props, use your environment, use whatever you're sitting down, holding a tree, saying hi to your neighbor or saying hi to a stranger. Use that for your pictures and make it fun, have fun. So don't forget, guys, this is having fun. So have fun when you're having your photo shoot. And I hope that you guys are loving this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and check out my next video, and leave a comment if you like this video. And oh my goodness, I'm gonna go now. All right guys, go with God, go with love. Bye.